Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here, coming at you from my rooftop. Had quite a bit of snow in the neighborhood. Now, unfortunately, my roof has a low slope. So what that means is that it just catches the snow. It doesn't really get a chance to run off. And anyway, what happens then is that ice builds up underneath the snow, and it can cause roof damage. So I'm out here today just trying to clear some of this off. This is Saturday, so I imagine I'll be spending most of Saturday out here and probably most of tomorrow out here as well. So there won't be any time to go out and check my shelter. I'm not giving it a whole lot of hope. We did get quite a bit of snow. Anyway, I guess that's about it for now. I'm going to start working on this, and yeah, that's about it. So, till next time, it's Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.